What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Ronaldo Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today, we're going to talk about how you can actually get your credit score above a 700, okay? So, without further ado, let's get it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all my subscribers and my unsubscribers. But please show your support and subscribe. And all my Masonics, my sisters, my brothers, please subscribe. Help a sister out to get to that next level, okay? Now, the first thing that you need to do to get your credit to the next level is understand your credit score. Learning about the factors that affect your credit score is the number one thing about your payment history. Make sure you pay your bills on time each and every month, if not early, okay? Credit utilization. Make sure you stay below that 30%, but that sweet spot is that 10%. So always stay below that 10% if you can, okay? The length of your credit history. Make sure that your credit history is more than 2 years, because that's when it starts really pushing up your credit score is 2 years. The type of credit, make sure that you have a personal loan, a car loan, mortgage, do your rent, go to Credit Boost, put your rent on there, put your lights and your water, make sure there's no errors on your account, make sure you pay them all on time when you put them on your report, because they're going to report it for those 2 years. And make sure you have like a J.C. Penney's, Target, Victoria's Secret, some type of card, and as well as the logo cards, Visa, American Express, and all that. Make sure you have a variety on your account. And inquiries. Make sure you have at least 5 inquiries or less, okay? 5 inquiries or less. You do not want to have all these inquiries on your account, because it will affect your credit score, okay? Especially in the beginning, it will drop it, okay? It will go back up, but hey, if you have inquiries on your account and the account is not open, take it off. Bottom line, take it off, okay? Now, next, credit report views, okay? Obtain a copy of your credit report from each of these 3 bureaus, which is Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, okay? And review the errors or inaccuracies that's on your account that is affecting your credit score. This is one of the number one things that you can actually do that will help you boost your credit score without doing anything else, is making sure that you check your credit report each and every month, okay? And also go to CreditWise and do an account. They will offer your credit score and obtain and give you tricks on stuff that you need to get your credit right. And also get with a credit union, any type of local credit union in your city, town, state, whatever, they will literally help you get to where you're going, and they will actually lend you money when some of the big banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America will not, okay? So make sure you get with a credit union, okay? Now, next is debt reduction strategies, okay? Now, develop a plan to pay off any outstanding debt or balances that reduce your credit utilization rate and improve your credit score, okay? Now, make sure that I do the billing strategy. It's just basically writing down all your bills, and from the lowest to the highest, and paying your bills off. And any extra money that you have on a month, you put it on that lowest bill until it's paid off. And when you finish paying off that card or whatever it is, put it away. Do not use it again. Okay, go ahead and pay it off and leave it alone. Go to the next one. The money that you were using for the pay that first one minimum balance, use that same payment and put it on the next one. So that way you're making the same minimum payment plus you paying that extra on there, and you do it until it snowballs, until you paying everything off. And that money that you were paying for those bills, put it aside so you can buy an asset that will actually pay you money. Okay, and that's when your money start making money for you, okay? Because we always need an asset or some type of thing that will actually give us to make this money, okay? Now, credit building techniques, okay? Improving and implementing strategies for building positive credit history, such as paying bills on time, keeping credit balance low. Like I said, keeping your balance below that 30%, but that sweet spot is 10%. But if you have to keep something on there, let it be that 30. And paying your bills on time, make sure you pay them early, because you need to find out when is the date that they report to the bureaus, because you have your closing date and your statement date. You want to make sure you see what date that they actually report to the credit bureaus, and make sure you pay before that date, okay? So make sure you get in contact with the creditors and find out what day that is, okay? And then also maintaining a diverse mix of credit accounts. It's just like I said before, make sure you have a JCPenney, Target, mortgage, lights, water. You can actually put those on your account now, since Equifax, Experian Boost, they give you that option. So don't forget, you guys, check in, do your research. That will actually help you get to where you're going, okay? Because we can only tell you what you need to do. It's up to you to whether you're going to act or not, whether you're going to respond to this, okay? Now, get your butt up and do what you need to do to get to where you need to be, okay? Next is credit monitoring. Monitoring your credit scores regularly and staying alert to any changes or fluctuations that could indicate fraudulent activity or errors on your account. Let me tell you, this fraud mess is getting outrageous, okay? It is getting be ridiculous. So make sure you are monitoring your account each and every month, and anything that's on your account that you do not know, take the mess off. Tell them you don't know. You can call them up and be like, hey, I don't know what it is. They telling you to do a letter, tell them you need to speak to a supervisor, okay? Because you do not have the equipment to do no letters, to mail none of that, okay? Tell them that you need to speak to a supervisor, and you need to tell them, hey, this looks like a fraudulent transaction and you need this off ASAP. And you can actually get them to freeze your account, because you're trying to fix your credit. So you shouldn't be applying for nothing. Okay, so like I said before, get a copy of your credit report from all three bureaus, and let's get this done, okay? Now, credit counseling. Consider working with a credit counselor or a financial advisor that can provide personal advice and guidance on improving your credit score. You can actually go to a bank, like I said, a credit union. They do have people that will look at your credit report and your credit score and tell you exactly this is what you need to do to beef up your credit report, okay? Because you need that meat and potatoes, that substance that make creditors want to drool over your account and throw money at you, okay? Just rolling, just throw money, okay? So make sure you get with a credit union, and they will help you tremendously. I'm telling you they will, because I done been through it. I'm telling you what I know because I did it, okay? Now, credit score boosters. Explore tools and research such as credit score simulation, credit builder loans, and secure credit cards that will help boost your credit score over time, okay? This is what you can do for long term, okay? You can get with a credit union and tell them to see if they have a credit builder loan that you can get that you can pay each month. And you can actually, they can give you the money, but you can put it in a savings account, and they can actually withdraw it out of that account each month. You do not have to touch it, and then pay the fee to use that money, okay? And put that amount in there as well, and then you ain't even got to touch it. Just let them take it out each and every month. Blase, blase. Okay, nonchalant, you got it on automatic withdrawal. They taking the money. You shouldn't be touching it anyways, because you're trying to build your credit. So go that route, okay? Now, by focusing on all these tips and tips that I'm talking about and taking action to improve your credit score, someone can work towards achieving above a 700 credit score easily, okay? So that is my tip and trick today. Bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. Let me see what I got for y'all bonus round. Okay, you guys, bonus round. Bonus round, we're here to talk about DTI, and that is what you call your debt to income ratio, okay? Your debt to income ratio is an important factor that determines your overall financial health and creditworthiness, okay? Here are some tips and tips that you can do to keep your debt to income rate, your DTI, low, okay? First, like I always say, pay off your debt. I told you just a little while ago how you can actually pay off your debt. Here, I have a I have a video I put here about banking relationships. You need to check that out because it is very important. Okay. Now, and also to increase your income, you also can work to increase your income by taking a second job or asking for a raise payment. Okay, so you can always get a second job. Okay, this will actually help you lower your DTI, and that you could actually apply for this mortgage or a loan that you're actually looking for. You're not stretching yourself. Okay, so make sure you live within your means and stop trying to keep up with the Joneses. Okay, now decreasing your expenses. Consider cutting back on your expenses to free up money for your debt payment. Looking for ways to reduce your monthly bills, such as canceling unnecessary subscriptions or negotiating lower rates of your utilities or insurance. If you have credit cards, you can actually negotiate your interest rate on your credit cards. Okay, and also if you have your credit cards longer than 6 months, go ahead and ask for a credit increase. Get it up there. Why not? Okay, they can only say no. Tell them you need to you trying to move some things. You need to put some coins on this card so I can get to where I need to be. Okay, now, and also refinancing loans. If you have a high interest rate loan such as a credit card debit or a personal loan, consider refinance. I can't even talk. Refinance your loan to lower your interest rate. That could help you lower your monthly payments and improve your DTI tremendously. Okay, so, and also avoid on new debt. Stop applying for stuff if you're trying to get a house or a car. Stop. Okay, you need to look and see exactly what you have, your credit report, and validate what you got. Okay, stop it. Don't be looking. No, focus on your credit report and see how you can beef it up. And you can get with a credit union to show you. Okay, by taking these steps, you can also work towards lowering your DTI ratio and improving your overall financial health. Okay, and remember to stay disciplined in your efforts, to be patient, as it may take time to significantly improve your credit report. Okay, it didn't take overnight to ruin it, so don't think it's going to take overnight to get it fixed. Okay, so this is the bonus round for today. Okay, thank y'all so much. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. Make sure you do what I said about your DTI. Okay, check it out. It is very crucial. If you want to get to where you're going, this is what you need to be. Okay, so this is how you get above a 700 credit score, and to improve it without doing anything. Okay, you do these steps, you on a great track. Okay, and all of my sisters, my brothers, hey, support, subscribe, come on now, help a sister out. And all my other CWC crew, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for so much being here. Make sure y'all join the Facebook group Credit with Capital, as well as listen to my iPod Credit with Capital. I'm on Spotify, as well as I think somebody picked up Spotify. I forgot who it is, who did it. But no, they didn't pick up. I was on Anchor, but Spotify picked it up. Never mind. Just check me out on podcast, okay? And if y'all don't know about Clubhouse, y'all need to get on Clubhouse. I am actually going to put a link below so y'all can actually join Clubhouse. Download the app, and please come and join my house, okay? Credit with Capital. Thank y'all so much again. My name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.